up, everybody? What's good? It's your boy Sean. It's my wife Tonya. Welcome to the PTO Club. We're coming to you live from Moorea, one of the Tahitian islands. And we're here for fun in the sun.
We're here to celebrate my 50th birthday. Can you believe it? And we've got an epic weekend planned. Week, I should say. An epic week planned. And we're excited to show you guys around and take you through the property and through Tahiti as well as Moorea.
Talk a little bit about what we're going to be doing this week.
We're going to be ATVing, and some are going to have the dune buggies. We're going to be snorkeling with the sharks and stingrays. We're going to do some deep sea fishing. We're going to golf. Got to get some golf in. And of course, we're going to kayak and paddleboard, and we're just going to have a blast. It's just beautiful out here. This is truly paradise.
I'm not that big of a swimmer, but I'm going to have to get in the water at least once or twice over here. If you can take a look behind us, this is just beautiful. Breathtaking.
We're staying over there in the overwater villas that you see over there. And back all the way over there is Tahiti.
Yeah, the water is about 4 to 5 feet deep towards the first 3 or 4 of the villas. The far end is probably about 8 to 9 feet, but there's plenty of shallow water here if you're not a big swimmer like I am. But you can still have a wonderful time out here, wading in the water. Plenty of fish out here. It's just completely beautiful out here.
Yeah, there's a lot of, they do a really great job in this lagoon in maintaining their preservation of the lagoon itself. So there's a lot of coral reefs, which means a lot of marine life in there. So it's really great. I mean, the stingrays, they just swim all around us all throughout, which is really cool. We saw a beautiful black one, has polka dots and everything. So we're excited to jump in and have a good time.
Yep, can't wait to get started. We'll see you guys in a bit.
Bye. This is a superior overwater villa. As you can see, it's done the thatch roof, which is really pretty. Bed, king size bed, and oh, what do we have here? Yes, you see the lagoon floor where all the fishy are. You also have a sofa bed. There's your big TV. I left the door open. Yeah, and then of course there goes the patio. I'll take you there in just a moment. There goes this door, and then I want to show you, this is the bathroom. So here is the bathroom. It's beautiful. Walk in. Beautiful rain shower. They give you robes. It's beautiful. Tile work. Rain. It's just really pretty and just very opulent and very just what I had expected it to be. I love the vessel sink. And then of course you have the water closet, which has its own ventilation because, you know, sometimes you need that. Okay, plenty of mirrors. And then here they have like they call it a mini bar, and they stock it every day with 2 beer, 2 soft drinks, and 2 bottled water, mineral water, and then 2 sparkling waters. And then they also have snacks as well, and they replenish that literally every day for you, and that's part of your cost. There is your kind of like bar set area. Then you have your espresso bar, which everything is all included there. Of course, here is the closet area, which is good. It's kind of almost like a little loft area, but that's where the AC is, which feels so good right now. And it's just really pretty. I love all the natural sunlight. Like, I only have these 2 side lights on and that underneath, and it's still like very well lit. Oh, and they give you more drinks and then fruit and stuff. But this is a nice kind of like day bed area for when you just kind of want to, you know, chill and stuff. And then you have it both as a screen if you want to, and also of course the glass doors to go out. And I need to figure out how to work that. There goes the lever. Here we go. You guys, this is what I'm going to be waking up to every single morning for the next week. Like, totally, that's my post right there. That's where I will be. That's the other part of the resort where the restaurants are. There's the infinity pool, and there is other, like, all of us have overwater villas. All of my friends and family came down, a few family members. Sean and I'll be able to kind of chill right there. But it's just stunning. This is my view, guys, for the next week. This is definitely a dream come true. And stay tuned. We'll be posting more videos throughout our stay. So I'm super excited. But this is Moorea in the French Polynesia. And basically it is one of the sister islands to Bora Bora and Tahiti, for those who are not familiar. And my view actually includes Tahiti. So if you see way out there, actually it's not that far, it's about a 30-minute ferry ride, but that's Tahiti right there. So at nighttime it kind of lights up, so I'm excited to kind of get some pictures of that. That's what I'm told. But we have such a great view. That's like a lookout point up there where everybody takes pictures. I don't know if you guys can see, but there are people up there already. But right now it's in the 80s, and it has just an amazing breeze that's blowing. It's just been beautiful since we got here, and I'm just really excited to literally dive into this water. And so that's what I'm about to do. So more to come. So I hope you guys tune in, as I said, to our channels, whether it's Facebook or YouTube, and catch our videos and stuff, and kind of experience this along with us.
Oh, it's okay. We're eating tonight.
Those are banana leaves.
Oh.
The pig is play hot.
We know this one is a new technique, huh? Because before, no, we don't have the iron basket. We live all in the stone, huh? Now that's only the new technique, because the problem, every time we say, oh, stop, not coming to work. You know? So dans ça, c'est la nouvelle technique pour éviter d'avoir des arrêts maladie.
It was all put in the pit.
Vous allez voir? Attends. Là, la magie. Allez voir. Encore un peu plus haut. Là. Oui, il va falloir votre la main. C'est bon, babe. Allez. Hey, Mike. Hey, Mike, t'as filmé. Come close, you need to take a picture. Ah, ceci, c'est le pu'ashu. C'est the pork with the different vegetable. And I have the sweet potatoes, and banana. This is a banana plantain. Alors, celui-là, c'est le plat préféré de... comment il s'appelle déjà? Popeye. Le pinard.